Come on, everybody. Come on, everybody. Give it up for Rodrigo.
If you go hard, you gon' make it what you weigh. You gon' make it what you weigh.
Ching in the soft, so pee off my dick. Motivate the young Lord be in this bitch. Talking about good when my style so slick. It's a good time when I roll with my gun here. Roll the beat and I'm pounding dick. What you gon' show is what you gon' break. Life is a bitch, that's a big fix. Get to the back, so you also gonna hit. I do it for the late and they don't joke. Way ahead and bitch stuff, fucking so much flow. Four strings in the town on the beat and jokes. Give her a time, let the choice for the pills. I'm so ready to go. That's pretty full. Keep talking it, I'll break the show. Head of the take, we play go wolves. Coming for the bread, we cannot lose. I made no rules, I live by night. But who go club, gonna have some fight. And I ain't show trouble. This is what come to speak to a brother. I'm talking birds. I'm made the ones got time to fly. If this was the end of the real straight. I fuck with many, but you must have a small. Kicking this shit like G.I. Joe. I am so fucking go and go. That's my play. Is that you jealous? You just fucking run. Stop. I work hard, I don't worry about my girlfriends. So man, fuck your lenses. Life is nothing but a dream, so I'm chasing it. Get me down with the struggle, I know better days are coming my way. And I'm riding all the way. You say I don't need a goatee. You say that now you got my diamond. Baby, I miss you. Baby, I need you. If you go hard, you gon' make it what you waited on. You say I don't need a goatee. You say that now you got my diamond. Baby, I miss you. Baby, I need you. If you go hard, you gon' make it what you waited on.
I wish you all a happy holy 2021.
DJ Hero on the house.